Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Case, premium protection with smart functionality. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Case offers top-tier protection and functionality for your device. Designed with military-grade drop protection, it ensures your phone stays safe from accidental falls and impacts. The built-in metal kickstand provides hands-free convenience for video calls, streaming, or browsing. Its MagSafe compatibility allows seamless attachment to magnetic accessories, enhancing user experience. The package also includes 2 HD screen protectors, safeguarding your display from scratches and smudges. Sleek, durable, and stylish in black, this case is the perfect blend of protection and practicality for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Viningo Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Case, premium protection with style. The Viningo Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Case offers the perfect balance of style, functionality, and protection. Its translucent matte finish gives your device a sleek, modern look while resisting fingerprints and smudges. The anti-slip edge design ensures a secure grip, reducing the risk of accidental drops. Built with shock-proof materials, it provides reliable protection against everyday bumps and impacts. The case is also magnetic and fully compatible with MagSafe accessories, ensuring seamless wireless charging and accessory attachment. Slim yet durable, this case enhances your phone's aesthetics without adding bulk. The striking black and orange color combination adds a unique touch, making it an ideal choice for those who value both design and performance. Galaxy S25 Ultra Case, tire anti-skid edges, cute cow flower design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra Case offers the perfect blend of style and protection. Its tire anti-skid edges provide a secure grip, preventing accidental slips, while the shock-proof bumper ensures full protection against drops and impacts. The cute cow flower design adds a unique touch without compromising functionality. Precisely cut for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 6.9-inch 2025, it ensures easy access to all ports and buttons. Lightweight yet durable, this case keeps your phone safe and stylish every day. Red2Fire for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Case, ultimate protection with style. The Red2Fire Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Case offers top-tier protection without compromising on style. Engineered with military-grade drop protection, it ensures your device stays safe from accidental falls and daily wear. The full-body shock-proof design provides 360 degrees coverage, while the non-slip grip enhances handling, reducing the risk of drops. This case is also MagSafe compatible, allowing seamless attachment of accessories for added convenience. Precisely crafted for the 6.9-inch S25 Ultra, it fits perfectly, ensuring easy access to all buttons and ports. If you're looking for a durable, functional, and stylish case, Red2Fire delivers exceptional performance and peace of mind. Premium wallet case for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, stylish, functional, and durable. Upgrade your phone protection with the wallet case for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, designed for both style and functionality. Crafted with a rugged soft TPU back and premium leather flip cover, it offers heavy-duty shockproof protection while maintaining a sleek look. The built-in credit card holder keeps your essentials organized, while the magnetic car mount compatibility adds hands-free convenience during drives. Perfectly tailored for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this case ensures full access to ports and buttons without compromising safety. The elegant pink finish adds a touch of sophistication, making it the ideal blend of fashion and practicality.